Dear students, I am Vinida, Assistant Professor of English, JJ College of Arts and Science, Sivapuram, Pudukkottai. Let's see on the first unit, Front Office Management. I select the topic, Departments in a Hotel. A hotel is mainly a place for boarding and lodging. Modern hotels serve many other purposes as well. The facilities available are related to the requirements of the clientele. The maintenance of these facilities calls for a complex organizational structure. Naturally, a hotel has many departments, each attending to a particular aspect of providing hospitality. The sections are front office, housekeeping, food and beverage, stores and maintenance, and finance and administration. Front office. The front office is a key section in any hotel. It attends to reception and registration of guests. It is also the coordinator that has contacted with on the other sections of the hotel. The front office is considered the nerve center of the hotel. The staff is working with they keep track of the needs of the guest and also the bills due from them. They take care of public relations also by attending to services like reservation of rooms and ticketing and travel arrangements. They also attend to matters relating to health. Housekeeping. The housekeeping section takes care of many hygienic factors like cleaning of rooms and open spaces, the upkeep of interior decoration, the cleanliness and change of curtains, the functioning of taps, AEs, TVS, lighting and heating equipments. They have to ensure the comfort and satisfy the expectations of the guest. Food and beverage. The food and beverage section has two divisions. They are production, service. Production. The production department ensures the availability and quality of the food articles prepared. The kitchen in hotel should be neat and tidy. To ensure this, it is equipped with the latest ovens and related equipments for cutting, slicing, mixing, cooking and packing. Similarly, they have the best saucers and grinders. The chief chef is in charge. He is assisted by chefs who are specialists in various types of cooking. The production section checks the quality of the inputs and the outputs. Service. The service section is manned by waiters. In big hotels, there will be bushers and head waiters and steward. The waiters are well turned out and trained in service etiquette. They should do everything to please the customers, taking to account the special requirements of individual customers. They should have good memory, patience, and a sense of service. They should always be courteous and smiling. Stores and maintenance. Running a hotel involves purchase and storage of a variety of articles like inputs for the kitchen soaps, chemicals, and sanitars, for the housekeeping department, and beds, pillows, curtains for replacement. Electrical and plumbing spares like switches, tubes, bulbs, taps are also bought and stored. The stocks are maintained by a storekeeper. He is responsible for the maintenance of quality, and he has to prevent pilferage and spoilage. Finance and administration. This section takes care of income, profit, loss, investments and returns, bills payable and bill due. It also attends to the personal finance and administration departments. The activities of various departments are coordinated by the executive manager or managing director and board of directors in big hotels. Thank you, students.